Hi, my name is Latrice, but I don't like to say my whole name because I don't like to say it. And I will sing. I like to sing. Kitty cats is scared of dogs. Kitty cats is scared of dogs, Tracy. Ain't it, Tracy?
Yeah, they are.
Nana. Dog. Kitty cats is scared of dogs, right, Nana? And everybody. Light balls bone cats up. And I saw the dead cat when I was walking to school with my mom. When I was walking to the park, and it was so nasty. And I covered my nose like this. A long time ago I did that, but this time I didn't do it, and when the rain do it, that means it was more stink. Bye bye.